Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Liam Gallagher here with Everything's Electric. So, do you remember Liam Gallagher from the iconic Oasis? Yeah, a great band back in the 90s, and this one is an older version of Liam, but nevertheless a great song here. So yeah, let's start right away. We need to set our capo on the 4th fret to match up the sound. Okay, so let's look at the chords first. We have the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is C, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next is G, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then comes the F, so you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so those are the chords. So we have this intro going on here. It's between A minor and C. But first we need to look at the strumming pattern, okay? So I'm gonna illustrate that with the A minor. And the full pattern will be like this. Okay, so that is down, 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 up. We can stop there. So down, 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 up. Like that. Down, 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 up. And then second part will be up, down, down, up, down, up. So, up, down, down, up, down. So together, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And that is one round. So, a couple of rounds of that is... So now when we have this, we can look at this intro, because there are certain notes we could try to hit. It's not that hard, and it gives you a little bit this touch of what you have in this intro, this kind of melody built into the strumming. All right, so it will be 2 rounds for A minors when it comes to the strumming. So. And 2 rounds of C. Alright, so in the A minor rounds, you want to hit these notes. Okay, and you find them on the 2nd fret G string, then on 4th fret D string, and back to 2nd fret D string, G string, sorry. So 2nd G, 4th D, and 2nd G. So, okay, and you want to hit them in the strumming. So the first note comes on the third down. So down, down. Here you want to hit the first, second fret G string notes. So down, down, down here. And then on the first up, that means down, 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 up. Here on this up, you want to hit the fourth fret on the D string. So it will be down and then up. You go out here with a little pinky as suggest and hit the fourth fret D string. And then you continue with the up, down, and then comes this down, up, down, up. And on this first down, down, up, down, up, you go back and try to hit the second fret G string again. So it goes like this. Down, down, note, down, note, bass, and then note again. Up, down, up, down. So down, down, note, down, note, up, down, note. Alright, so that is how you handle the A minor. So in a context it will be something like this. So you do that for 2 rounds of the A minor, and then you switch to C. And C, you will hit the notes here in the exact same spot in the strumming pattern as you did for the A minor. But the notes here instead are open G, then second G, and back to open G. Alright, so so you do that for 2 rounds as well, and that is the intro. This thing is gonna go on here in the first verse. So if we look at the A minor, like A minor 2 times and C 2 times, if we look at that as one chord progression, you will do 1 of these rounds for the intro, and you will continue to do another 2 rounds for the first verse. So if we go for a couple of rounds of this A minor 2 times and C 2 times, and try to hit these notes, it will sound something like this. That will be for in total 3 rounds, intro and first verse. That takes us to the first pre-chorus. Alright, so here you're gonna play 2 A minors and 2 Gs, and we don't have any notes to try to build into the strumming here, so you just do 2 strumming rounds for A minor and 2 for G. So that is the pre-chorus. Now we are at the chorus, and here we need to look at a new strumming pattern. So the first chord for this chorus here will be F, so we will have this as the chord to illustrate the new strumming pattern. Okay, so this one will be divided into 2 different parts. So yeah, let's go and play a full strumming round for this one. Right? So that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay? So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So the first part is just 2 downs. So you have a space there between the 2 downs, so it's down, down. Okay, so very easy. Down, down. And then the next part is up, down, 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 up, down, up. So up, down, 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 up, down. Up, down, 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 up, down, up. And these chords here, we have them in 2 different parts because we will play one chord for part 1 and another chord for part 2. So if we go through the different chords here in the chord progression, it will be F. You're gonna play that for part 1, and then you switch to C and play part 2. So you can see this F and C, they will split this full strumming pattern into 2. So together it will be down, down on F, and then on C, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then you go for G, play part 1, and A minor, part 2. Then you go back again and play F, part 1, and C, part 2. Okay, so far we learned F, part 1, C, part 2, F, C. Okay, then you go for G, part 1, and A minor, part 2. And then you go back and play again the F, part 1, and C, part 2. And you finish off this chord progression round with just 1 down of E minor and 1 down on A minor. And that will be 1 chord progression round. You will play that for 2 rounds, and that is the chorus. So I'm gonna show you a little bit slower how it's done. So let's go. So that is 1 round. You play that for 2 rounds, and that will cover the first chorus. And from now on, there's not much new to it. We have, after this chorus, an instrumental part, and that is played in the exact same way as the intro. So 2 strumming rounds for A minor and 2 strumming rounds for C, and try to hit these notes we learned there in the beginning of this tutorial. That takes us to the second verse, played in the same way as the first verse, and the same goes with the next pre-chorus and even the next chorus. And after this second chorus, we have another instrumental part. This time you will play exactly the same way as we learned in the intro and the other instrumental part, but you will do it for 2 rounds, so it's twice as long. So A minor, 2 strumming rounds, C, 2 strumming rounds, and then you go back again, A minor, 2 strumming rounds, and C, 2 strumming rounds. Then this one ends with a third chorus played in the same way as the other choruses, and we have an outro or an ending there. This instrumental part will come back again, A minor, C, C, and this you will do for 2 rounds with this notes built in, and you just end off with a downstroke of A minor. So yeah, Liam Gallagher with a great song called Everything's Electric. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope you like this, and if you did, please thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and spread the word. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.